Hey folks, it's George here. I just wanted to show you my new carbon monoxide alarm. Yeah, this is the Prevalert, and I don't know if you can see that. Let me get, a lot of glare. Carbon monoxide alarm, keep your family safe. Yeah, I got this through Amazon, and this is the bomb. Look at this. It's small, it's convenient, and this is for carbon monoxide only. Okay, this is not just supposed to be a smoke alarm. It says here carbon monoxide is a toxic gas produced when you burn fuels. It's difficult to detect. It has no smell or taste or color. And so what this does is this is great for us because we have a gas heater, and if the gas is not being burned properly, if carbon monoxide is being created and vented back into the house, this will pick it up. This is great because people that succumb to carbon monoxide poisoning die in their sleep, and they don't have any warning. It's not like there's a fire and they smell smoke. It's just death. And so this is really important. So I'm proud to have this. And if you're interested, check it out on Amazon, Prevalert. And hopefully I'll be able to put a link to where I got this somewhere. And very affordable, great protection. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.